Hi guys, I'm Pushpender Singh. I'm pursuing my engineering from Gyangar University. I'm a final year student. I've been working in Adhoc from last 1 year. I was first trainee in Adhoc from December, which is a winter internship. Now I've been an intern in summer internship. In winter internship, Adhoc taught me about machine learning, which is a very new technology for me because I have been working in Java and web development. But Adhoc has innovated me and it upgraded me for a while, and that was really a beautiful moment for me to be a part of Adhoc. They have taught me about machine learning, they have taught me about deep learning, and includes to the projects which we have made in machine learning, they have taught us dev operations also. They also give us a platform of Red Hat experience. A new platform was implemented. We were first Windows user, now we are Linux users, and we know the technology, the power of open source, which is a really innovative and really overwhelming thing for us. The Linux platform has a very big advantages in related to proprietary softwares. In Red Hat, I have been certified as Red Hat engineer, and I am certified in Ansible automation, which is because Adhoc advised me. Adhoc has given me a great opportunity to be a part of this. Now I've been pursuing towards Red Hat certified architect, which is a huge step up for me.